Hello, this is Mrs. Anderson. I wanted to talk to you today about matching pitch and especially getting into your head voices, which is like a higher voice, almost like the sound of a siren. So if you are practicing your singing at home, and especially if you've heard from me that you need to work on your singing, it probably means that I'm hearing you using your speaking voice instead of singing in class, which sounds a little bit like this. So if we're trying to do a siren, I might hear you go, ooh, which almost sounds like you're seeing some ice cream or something that looks really yummy. But what I'm looking for is something that sounds more like a siren. Woo! And it's using more of your high voice. So I have this exercise that I want to use. I'm going to try it first, and then I want you to try it. Here's my turn. Ooh. Here's your turn. Here's my turn. Ooh. 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 Here's your turn. Here's my turn. Ooh. 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 Your turn. My turn. Ooh. Your turn. My turn. Yours. My turn. This one sounds like a dog crying. Ooh, 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 ooh. Your turn. Here's mine. Ooh, 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 ooh. Your turn. My turn. Ooh. Your turn. My turn. Ooh. Your turn. My turn. Ooh. Your turn. Here's the last one. My turn. Your turn. Happy practicing. Make sure that your voice sounds like a siren. Woo! And not like you're eating some yummy ice cream. Have a good day.